Today I'm gonna teach you about the most dangerous birds in the world. Number 10, red-tailed hawk. Number 9, falcon. Number 8, snowy owl. Number 7, lammergeier. Number 6, barred owl. Number 5, the mute swan. Number 4, great nose raccoon. Number 3, herring gull. Number 2, African ostrich. Number 1, southern cassowary, the most dangerous bird. Thank you for watching my top 10 dangerous birds in the world. See my videos again. They're really cool. And I hope I'm gonna do some more tomorrow. See them again. Bye.